Hello everyone, my name is Enis Tuna. I'm the Accessory Factory Manager of Demirer Kablo, a proud member of ZTT Group. I joined Demirer Kablo more than 15 years ago, and as a design engineer, I have the opportunity to work to nearly every stage of the cable accessory development, from design and testing, production, and international type approvals. Today, I lead a passionate team that designs and manufactures high-voltage joints and terminations up to 550 kV, serving projects across Europe, Asia, and Africa. What makes our journey special is not just technology, it's the people behind it. Every engineer, every operator, every jointer in our shares one vision: to deliver safe, reliable, and innovative cable systems to the world. We turn raw materials into precision-engineered components that carry the power of nations, quite literally. At ZTT, we don't only produce cables and accessories, we produce trust. Each project we compete strengthens our reputation as a global technology partner, and each challenge we overcome shapes us into the better engineers and better people. Over the past years, our accessory factory has become a center of innovation within the ZTT Group, from developing flexible dry-type terminations to designing automated production systems and performing complex high-voltage simulations. These achievements are the result of a dedication, teamwork, and the constant pursuit of excellence. For me, this journey has always been more than a career. It's a story of growth, passion, and the belief. Belief that with strong teamwork and a clear vision, we can achieve anything. I'm proud to be a part of this great ZTT family, and proud to contribute to a company that doesn't just follow the future, it helps us to shape it. Thank you.